Hello, English Go-Getter, and welcome to the first quiz on the to be verb in the present simple tense. And before we get started, let's go over the instructions. So you read the sentence, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 5 seconds, and then the answer will appear. And now we can get started. Question 1. And the correct answer is letter B. I am a student. Question 2. And the correct answer is letter C. She is my teacher. Question 3. And the correct answer is letter A. They are my cousins. Question 4. And the correct answer is letter A. He is in the classroom. Question 5. And the correct answer is letter B. We are from Brazil. Question 6. And the correct answer is letter C. You are very kind. Question 7. And the correct answer is letter C. I am from Japan. Question 8. And the correct answer is letter A. It is a cat. Question 9. And the correct answer is letter B. My name is Anna. Question 10. And the correct answer is letter B. The books are on the table. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway done.
No way!
Keep going because you're doing great. Question 11. And the correct answer is letter C. He is my brother-in-law. Question 12. And the correct answer is letter A. We are at home now. Question 13. The correct answer is letter A. They are from Mexico. Question 14. And the correct answer is letter B. I am very happy today. Question 15. The correct answer is letter C. She is a good student. Question 16. The correct answer is letter C. The dogs are in the garden. Question 17. The correct answer is letter B. You are my best friend. Question 18. And the correct answer is letter A. She is an engineer. Question 19. The correct answer is letter B. We are roommates. Question 20. And the correct answer is letter C. I am in the kitchen. You did it, English Go-Getter. You finished the quiz. And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.